In this video, we're building a simple AI program using the Antigravity IDE agent. It takes a static query and context, sends it to an LLM, and returns a response only if it matches the context. Otherwise it says, sorry. Let's start. First, I'll open the requirements.txt file, where I've installed all the necessary libraries using pip. Then I'll move to the end file, where I've added my Groq API key along with the Groq model name. I've already created a simple prompt to build a program that answers user queries using a given context with a Groq LLM model. Now we'll pass this prompt to the Antigravity agent, and it will automatically generate the code in the main.py file. After that, we'll review the generated code, accept it if it looks good, and if anything needs to be changed, we'll modify it accordingly. Now the code has been generated by the agent. We'll carefully review it to make sure everything is correct and works as expected. Once we're satisfied, we'll accept the changes and move forward. If anything looks off or needs improvement, we'll adjust it before finalizing. Now let's test the program in the terminal. It currently has 2 test queries, 1 correct and 1 incorrect, so we can check both outputs. After reviewing the results, I'll instruct the agent that we only need a single query setup. Then I'll modify it and test again to confirm that both valid and invalid cases are handled correctly. Now we've converted it into a single query variable and tested it successfully. The program is working exactly as expected. Antigravity Coding Agent is really powerful for building software with AI and generating code automatically, and when used properly, it can save a lot of developer time. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like. If you want the code and prompt used in this project, Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.